Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Rocket League Error 0 Epic Online Service connection problem. Fix 1. Check Epic Game Server status. Open the Epic Game Server status page and check if Epic Online Services or Rocket League services are experiencing outages. And if there is an outage, wait until the service is restored. Fix 2. Restart Rocket League and Epic Games Launcher. Close Rocket League completely, then exit the Epic Games Launcher and restart your PC. Now launch Epic Games Launcher and open Rocket League again. Fix 3. Sign out and back into Epic Games. Open Epic Games Launcher and click your profile icon. Now select Sign Out and sign back in and launch Rocket League. Fix 4. Verify Rocket League games file. Open Epic Games Launcher, then go to your library. Now click the three dots next to Rocket League and select Manage. Then click Verify and wait for the scan to finish. Fix 5. Check your internet connection. Restart your modem and router and use a wired Ethernet connection if possible. Now disable any VPN or proxy service and try launching Rocket League again. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.